So here are more guidelines. This is on the payment guidelines. So payments are done at the end of each month. You need to keep a list of your leads that you've done. So we prefer you to always get a book, a notebook. If you can have a notebook that has calendars, it would be very good. It helps you to know each day what you've done, what leads you have. Now, those leads are very important. Please record them on the reports and also record them on your notebook. So the reports will help you with the digital view of it, but a notebook also is always very important that it helps you. So on Monday, in January 25th or in June 20 what, how many businesses did you get and how far are you with them, just to keep you get a track of those. Make sure also that you convert. So keep a list of how many people you've converted, both the digital one, which is on the report, very important, and also online. Then ensure you have the correct payment details you've submitted, how we are sending you the money, because we are making payments between date 5 and 10 of every month. We'll put together all your retainer, everything is a day for paying. Our company is always very known for keeping their promise. So we already have the contracts which you've signed and it binds all of us. But we will not pay you if you've not brought 5 businesses, and also we will also not pay you if you do not have the reports. So the reports are here. Remember, it's either of them. So the reports are here. So we'll just come in when you are asking for your retainer. We'll just come in and filter your name. For example, you are let's say you are Alusa, for example. So we'll come here, just Alusa. Yes, if you are Alusa, we'll just filter your name like that, and then we filter. Now this allows us to get everything you've done for each of the days. So you can see the heat maps here. On this day you worked 8 hours, on this day you worked 11 hours, on this day you worked. So we'll do this, an accumulation of these hours on the days you worked. So make sure that you're working and then the work is equal that amount. So that therefore qualifies you to earn the retainer. So if there is nothing that you've done here worth, so what we'll do is we'll look at the working days in a week and then we do it by 8 hours for those who are working full time. If you worked only 5 days, then we'll only calculate the 5 days and pay you the retainer worth for the 5 days. So it still doesn't matter. The retainer can be for anyone, depending on the timings that you did, but we'll only count the days. So that's why we say the position is very flexible, guys. You can even work 1 day and still will, though 1 day is a little, at least make sure you've covered half of the days. Yeah, is when you come for the retainer. So very few days, less than half the hours for that particular month, you need to improve. How about if you are active certain months and not active other months? Is still fine. You'll be chasing on the commissions, but then we can accumulate the hours that you've already worked. So reports are therefore very important, and there's a guide we've already done. On support and communication, you need to download and create a Teams account where we use for communication. So the link is already there. This is the link. So just join it, click on the link, and then follow us there. Our support lines are there. You can also send the word hi to the number, because hi to 0709 or +254 709 000 8300 and follow the prompts. That is, if you don't know the pricing and you'd like to know for something, we've already done them. Everything is fully automated. If you'd like to reach out or speak to someone from a certain department, maybe somebody needs a website, simply go there and call that line or go to the Teams and chat it there. On status posting, you need to log into KE Online. Maybe that I can cover in the next one, but that means therefore that you are fully ready to get going on meetings and schedules that we are covering in a few. Thank you.